don't skip even a single day. All right. And also I want to give you a bonus tip. The bonus tip is that 30 days plan for you. Because before making this plan, I watched lots of video. What is your real problem, and what is your exact problem, and which problem are you facing? I'm sharing this 30 days plan and these activities my personal favorite, because I also followed these activities my initial days. That's why I'm sharing with you. Okay. Okay, if you didn't understand what I'm saying, so please watch my Hindi version, and also I'll give you the link in my description box. Okay, so I'll tell you the 30 days plan. Okay, first week, what you need to do, you need to listen and speak, because listening and speaking is very very important. Even I also listen and speak, because if you will listen more and more, your abilities or your way of talking little bit improve. Okay, that's why first week, listening and speaking. Okay, don't give so much pressure for your mind. Okay, just relax and listen and speak. Okay, speak, listen. Like if you are listening something and then try to speak. Also a very good thing is, if you are watching that person and if you are followed that person, you imitate that person automatically. Okay, this is happen and this is a fact. If you are watching something and you try to imitate that person, you try to replicating that person. Okay, this is the honest thing. This is also happen with me, that is also occur with me. Okay. And the second week, you need to do you need to give your introduction. Your introduction might be good, your personality will be good, your hand gesture, you if you are record your video, give your introduction in front of camera. Okay, after that you analyze your introduction. Your introduction is good or not, you are able to give your introduction or not. If you are not able to give your introduction, first find video related introduction and learn your introduction. You have to learn introduction first. After that, you make video and give your introduction. After that, you are able to give your introduction in a proper way and your confidence will be good. So what you need to do, you need to move forward to the next thing. Okay, second week, you need to give introduction and describe your daily routine in front of camera. Because if you are making your video in front of camera, after that you are watching your video, so you can see your mistake, even I am also doing these things. Although you cause your mistake, after that you rectify your mistake. This is very very amazing and my personal favorite activity, you can say. And the third week you can do topics. Okay, you have to pick up one topic. At least you have to describe 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes every day. 3rd week, you have to describe topic 10 minutes every day. Okay, don't skip even a single day. All right. And then you analyze your topic. You are lacking here and there, and now this is the turn to rectify your mistake. Okay. And also I want to give you a bonus tip. The bonus tip is that if you spoke one sentence, make sure don't repeat the sentence again. If you are speaking sentence again and again, so that was indulge your habit, and that sounds more annoying. Okay, so don't speak the sentence again and again. Okay. After that, in 4th week, what you need to do, storytelling is also a very helpful. It's depend on your interest. If you like to describe horrible story, so you can describe horrible story, or if you like to describe a fairy tale story, so you can describe fairy tale story. Okay, to describe a fairy tale story, so you can describe fairy tale story. Okay, storytelling also helpful. Okay. so you get to know, and day by day you improving, and day by day your confidence, your self confidence automatically build, and you speak like a pro. Okay, so this is the time taking process. Actually, I want to tell you, I started my English journey October, now is January, so it was taking time to describe your thoughts and describe your thought process and all these stuffs like that. Okay, and in 4 month, okay, in 4 month I used to face so many difficulties, so many hurdles and obstacles, but always I have a burning desire. I also thought that how can I improve myself as much as I can. How can I rectify my mistake, and how can I always, my purpose is that I have to improve me, I have to improve my skill, I have to polish my skill. That's why I was able to, and still I have to polish my communication skill as much as. Okay, so this is that I want to tell you. Okay, make sure you follow the 30 days plan for 30 days. Okay, I'll give you a surety, if you are follow the 30 days plan, definitely you see that able to speak. And if you are follow this 30 days plan with honesty, so definitely you will speak English. Okay, you will see me that your plan is work for me. To write down your opinion. Okay, and please, if you follow the 30 days plan, so please, the plan is helpful or not, please let me know. Let me know my comment section, write down your opinion, and please like, subscribe my channel, because your one like or comment motivate me a lot. Okay, so that is what that I want to that I wanted to tell you. I'll meet you in the next video. So till then, take care. Bye bye. Bye bye. Happy learning.